This is the unboxing for the Ronzeil dog treadmill. This is the assembly video for the Ronzeil dog treadmill. Right now I'm getting everything organized and unpackaged. Okay, we've got all our pieces unwrapped and out and ready to put together. We've got our little rolly system, got our various pieces, we got our belt, we've got our guardrails and our hookup rail right here. Then we have our instruction manual and our various screws and whatnot, so that'll be much easier to grab from whenever we're reading through our manual and putting it together. Thankfully this comes with a both side manual and it's very detailed, so it'll be easy for me to just read and hopefully put it together. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I've got my pieces together and I'm ready to put in the screws. Okay, we've got our M8 85mm screw. I think this is the front. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, so I messed up on the original assembly. So basically you want to make sure that this is your direct brake handle, and then your numbers are face up on each side, like so. And then the back doesn't have any numbers, so it's just blank on both sides. Okay, so this is where the little counter sits, and we'll put that on a little bit later. But basically it's right next to the brake. This is not the brake handle, that's the brake handle, but this is where your computer sits right here. Okay, so the easiest way to get the roller deck on here is to put your 6 screws, 3 on each side, in first. And then they provide you this tool to tighten up here, but I find it much easier to use a socket wrench and just take this wrench here. So we're just tightening up all these contact points here with our socket wrench. Okay, now the roller deck is on, let's go to the next step. Okay, I've just put the belt on. Whenever you're putting the belt on, just make sure it goes around the wheels versus on the inside like I originally thought. And I think that the wheels look actually pretty cool and shiny. And we've got 4 screws here. 4 screws. We have 4 contact points, so we have 1 here, 1 like here just on the other side, and then 2 in the middle right here, and then 2 that connect. So let's put those together. So we put in the screws on the contact points. It's worth having a second person to keep the belt in place, but now we're just putting in the middle screws, which should not be too hard at all. Looking good on those wheels. Everything fits perfectly. I'd say it looks pretty good. Let's put on the siding here. All right, I attached both the side walls, and you just have to tighten each bolt. So there's 2 bolts on each side. 1 over here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Let's go through and tighten this one with our Allen wrench. Okay, now just putting our cover on. goes through here. There's a little indentation in here, and we put our bolt and nut. Okay, let's give this a try. Come here, Milo. Milo, up, 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 uppies. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. Oh, come here, Milo. Milo. Milo, up, up. Okay. Get you hooked up. Other way though. Ready? Over. Okay. Go. Good boy. Go. Yes. Good boy. Good dog. Yes. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Very good. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Yay. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Yeah.